Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And today I'm going to share with you my latest Mighty Fix that came. Let's see, where should I open it at? I'm still not sure how to keep this company or not. I mean, yeah, I like their products, but we just haven't used them much. It's a little thing. It's all good goop, handcrafted skin relief. All good goop will transform the way you think about balms. Made in our solar-powered community kitchen with organic herbs, including calendula, grown on our own farm. Each jar is lovingly hand-poured just for you. It's great on cuts, scrapes, cracked heels, burns, bites, diaper rash, and almost anything that needs soothing. And I've got all the ingredients. Not going to read all those, but let's see how it smells. Oh, it's kind of like a balmy kind of thing. Yeah, I guess we'll try it. Yeah, we must have something here to tell us what it's about. Okay. The all-natural healing balm, why it matters. Here's the truth about petroleum-based skincare. It seems to moisturize, but actually smothers skin with an unbreathable barrier that dries out delicate pores and can harbor bacteria. Petroleum derivatives also carry carcinogenic risks and are not sustainable. You deserve a better balm that truly nourishes skin with all natural plant-based ingredients. So certified organic ingredients, no petroleum. But that's good because I don't really like to use petroleum, but sometimes, you know. One little jar soothes and heals in many ways. A glass container can be repurposed or recycled. And it's nourishing with the healing herbs, including calendula, yarrow, comfrey, plantain, and lavender. So the use and care, it says apply, I'm reading by the way. Apply a thin layer of healing balm to skin or blemish. Use in place of petroleum jelly, hydrocortisone, cuticle cream, lip balm, foot cream, baby balm, and so much more. Reapply as needed. I may try this tonight, you know, because I've been putting, what do you call it, hydrocortisone on my neck because my neck's been itchy. I'm going to try this tonight. Let's throw it over there near my side of the bed. So that's it. I mean, this is a short video. You may be wondering how I'm seeing you, how you're seeing me when I'm on a trip. Well, I recorded a whole bunch of videos beforehand, anything that came here, and I have them all scheduled periodically while I'm gone so that you won't forget me. I don't know on the ship if the Wi-Fi is going to be good enough for me to download some videos onto YouTube. I mean, I'm hoping. I'm certainly going to try, but we'll see. So on the trip, I am planning to try to do a daily recording of what I'm wearing for that day. Like, okay, so I'll be doing that. And of course, I'll be doing videos of when we go off the ship. I'll be doing video of our cabin, how it looks. And, you know, I'm hoping that I'll be carrying my bags, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to take a picture of going in and going up onto the ship. But I'm going to try to get everything I can to share with you guys, so stay tuned. Comment below, share, like, subscribe, and I hope you're having a good January. I am. I love you all. Bye.